Today, drones perform key functions across various industries, including critical missions, surveillance, delivery, and entertainment. However, lack of resilience to GPS and GNSS interference can pose a risk to drones and people nearby. The reputation of drone manufacturers is at stake.
Arms around some of these issues to secure our border with Mexico, but they're running into spoofing risks from the drug cartels.
GNSS jamming and spoofing incidents are often seen on the news. Such incidents are no longer confined to military zones, they now spill over to surrounding countries. The fact is that RF interference can propagate for hundreds of kilometers, especially in airspace where it is unobstructed by trees and buildings, such as lakes, rivers, and other water bodies. Jamming and spoofing can also occur in other areas as equipment is increasingly accessible online. Jamming signals overpower GPS and other GNSS signals, which are weak in power by the time they reach the Earth's surface. This results in accuracy degradation or loss of position in GPS receivers. Jamming can be intentional or unintentional. Drones often experience self-interference when electronic devices aboard the drone affect GNSS signals. Various receivers have various levels of protection against interference. AIM+ anti-jamming technology leverages notch filtering techniques and advanced algorithms to protect Septentrio receivers from any jamming interference. GNSS spoofing is even more risky than jamming. During a spoofing attack, false coordinates are sent to the target receiver to hijack control of the whole UAV system. In such a case, the attacker can navigate the drone to unwanted locations or cause it to crash into a predefined target. Many drones are pre-programmed to land in certain no-fly zones like airports. This mechanism can be exploited by spoofers. AIM+ anti-spoofing receiver technology mitigates spoofing and provides situational awareness by alerting the UAV to possible GNSS spoofing attacks. Septentrio receivers are used across the globe due to their high level of resilience to any radio interference such as GNSS jamming and spoofing. These receivers are thoroughly tested by us in government-led tests such as the yearly Jammer test in Norway. During a live spoofing attack, the orange line of the Septentrio receiver remained on course, while competitor receivers were spoofed and displayed incorrect positions. All Septentrio receivers have jamming and spoofing protection, with different levels that can be combined. The first three protect the receiver, the top level protects the entire system. For more info, check our resilience page and find out more about our AIM+ anti-jamming and anti-spoofing technology.